In this video, this is video 3 of 4, I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity for Google Sheets. We are comparing 4 different AI platforms, and we've already talked about ChatGPT and Claude. So let's take a look at Perplexity. Here is Perplexity. I went ahead and I used the exact same prompt I did for ChatGPT and Claude. Thinking about using a spreadsheet. I was creating one by myself, doing all the numbers, typing everything in, and I decided AI can help with that. So I said I need to create a spreadsheet for expenses. I told them what columns I wanted them to be named and that I wanted it to be for the 12 months of the year. And you can see the format looks totally different than Claude and ChatGPT. I'm not as familiar with this platform, so it kind of threw me off, but it is interesting how it's different. It gives you lots of different information. I won't go into all of it right now. You can see about searching the web, the different sources. Let's get down to the answer. So again, similar to the first two, it tells me directions based on my prompt to create a spreadsheet using Excel or Google Sheets. So pretty good information there. Not as specific, I would say, as the other two platforms. I did have to use the additional prompt again, telling it to create the spreadsheet for me. That can be used in Google Sheets specifically. And let's see what it said from there. This is what threw me off, is that there was no answer. So I'm not really sure what that means. I went ahead and I put in another prompt, create a table that can be exported to Google Sheets with the information provided in the first prompt above to see if that would help. And it did. So I don't know why the first one had no answer, but this one, similar to ChatGPT and Claude, says that it cannot create files directly. It can give me the CSV formatted text, which you will see that a lot being referenced. I'm learning a little bit about that as I'm going through this process. And this is the CSV text. So what I believe from here, I didn't take it through all the additional steps, is that this is going to take a lot more steps than ChatGPT or Claude, because you can't just put this information, I don't believe, I'll try it right now, but the way that it's formatted here into the Google Sheet. Because they want you, from my understanding of reading this, is they want you to take this information and save it as a CSV file first, and then put it into Google Sheets. So let's see. Let's see if this works. They give you directions right here. You can import. Oh yeah, first I have to copy it and do all that stuff. I don't want to do all that stuff. Let's see if this works. If I copy it on here in this top right corner and I open up the Google Sheet, I don't believe this will work because it's in a different format, but let's see. I'm going to hit Control V. Yeah, it's not the right format that I need to put in here. I first would have to save it as it mentioned. Where was I? Over here. They give you the directions here. I first would have to save it as a CSV file, which isn't hard to do. It just, again, these are extra steps. So for me going through these things, I think Perplexity is the least easy to use to do a spreadsheet. But try it out, see what you think. Again, continue to work on your prompts to make them as clear as possible. But we will use the same prompt again, and we will try out Bard next.